So this is Bill again. So right now is like we're talking about how to trigger flows, and on triggering flows, there's quite a few ways of doing it. So it could be through a record, which I just demonstrated. It can be time bound, and it could be application centric, right? So let's go to the flow itself, so you could witness how it works. So the trigger part, what you've witnessed is a trigger created, but as we open it, you will see that you can do a scheduled trigger, right? So basically, let's say you would like to create records or synchronize records on this specific day. So you could have multiple tables that you need to like create depending on your business condition or business requirement. So you could also send an email, or it can be coming from a task. ServiceNow is giving you the flexibility of where the workflow will basically originate. And as you drill down to this specific examples, then for example, monthly, and you can see that ServiceNow is warning us of the changes that we're going to do. So this will be click on OK. So this is just an example. And as you can see, the trigger is the same. As you trigger on a specific time, then what will be the action? Then you will see on the top right, it changes also the data pills, the dependency, depending on the type of trigger that you will be doing. Depending also on the next steps that you would like to happen, which is the action, now you are creating a direction or a behavior that you would like to implement depending on your business requirement. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.